Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Cherrydale Productions vlog. Today, we go behind the scenes and discuss the many wonders of the sounds of kissing. After that, reactions for one of the most surprising, dramatic, heartbreaking scenes in the entire season. It's such a surprise that I don't even know which scene they're reacting to. Guess we'll just have to keep watching to find out. And last but absolutely not least, Sarah has a one-to-one with our amazing director and one of the greatest human beings on the planet, Shannon Litt, as she discusses the process of bringing All for One to life. Let's check it out, shall we?
What did you see?
A lot. I couldn't get through it all. There were photos. I just keep going. Yep. That girl sabotaging was the first word.
So you do need to be out there.
Yeah. Do I?
Glanced at it, yeah. Because the door opens, he opens it, it's not her.
Okay, cool. And that's in the middle of like some shit that's happening.
Yeah, he's like,
Hey. Can we talk about art, please, Sarah?
We talk about art, yeah. Art is fantastic and great. And they let me call them art, which is also good.
Do you know what's really gross?
What?
Here's something I can tell you, the people.
Okay, you're really close though, so you're blurry.
That Darren would never tell.
What would Darren never tell you?
Darren would never tell you is that the scene of people make out on these things is disgusting. The scene of people make out on these things is disgusting.
Well, Darren is very professional.
It sounds like someone's like chewing an egg.
Wet meat slapping together.
Well, Andy gets it too.
Andy gets it too. How gross it is listening to people make out on these things.
Oh, it's like two old people just gumming cottage cheese. It's nasty.
So you guys really want to watch our show now? I wasn't. Just now. No, I wasn't filming that, yeah. No, I looked over. You were just like... you and Hannah are so expressive. You're really fun to watch.
Well, that could be our one fuck, because that was good.
That was powerful, huh? Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Having to do some form of like bleep or like an extreme disclaimer on that one. But it wasn't. It was such a good one. It was a good one, and honestly, I don't know that she necessarily said it. It sounded a little bit.
She definitely said it, but I mean, let's be honest. We all heard it.
I just lost 2 letters.
It was worth it though. I've been holding my timeline.
I'm glad I just caught that on camera. Hi, Shannon.
Hey, pointed at this guy. He's
I
never
did. I already got
upset.
his reaction.
Did you?
He talked about how excited and happy and like.
Are you in love with Miller?
With the scene.
Did you notice our Death Star?
I didn't wear it.
Oh, sorry. That's the light there. Up there, we call it the Death Star.
Because it's sort of like.
Shannon,
What do you want to know?
what do I want to know?
I'm gonna give you one-word answers.
What made directing this project different from other projects you've directed?
Just the scale of it, I guess, was really fun to play with because you don't often get projects where you can have a say in the art direction and the wardrobe and just character development and even so far as scripts, and here was an opportunity to really get involved from the ground up, and I think it's just so much fun. I really love the pacing and the tone and the fact that you always leave the viewers with a cliffhanger at the end of an episode, and it's just like da-da-da-da-da, and you've got such an interesting plot to work with as well, so it's just so much fun. The magic is there, and it's just an opportunity to sort of channel it into this fantastic web series that will hopefully change the world is the goal.
I don't think we're aiming to change the world.
Yeah.
Maybe entertain some people.
Entertain some people with downtime.
Yeah. Relieve them of some exam stress, hopefully.
Exactly. Yeah.
And then they'll go on to be like doctors because of that and change the world.
Oh my goodness.
Right? We're
are
doing important
changing
work.
the world.
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah, stories are important. What do you think was a particular challenge of this project? And it can be one that we overcame, but like it's not like this was like obviously, for example, audio was challenging, but like that's not something that just to clarify, our audio people, fantastic.
Yes.
Audio in the space because we are filming in downtown Toronto, difficult sometimes.
Everything blocking because you're only the angle we chose because of the space. If we shot head on, we wouldn't have seen the door, so we had to shift, which meant that we lost a huge segment of the room to the left. So figuring out how to work that while maintaining the view of the door was interesting.
And what are you excited to film in our story location on Sunday?
Oh man. The carnivals? Yes. The 2 carnival episodes is essentially what I'm most excited for and most scared for, because we have a lot of people, but it's a very big space, and the challenge is making sure that we see the emotions on each character's face when we need to. And with a locked out camera, that is always the challenge, is just, playing them towards the camera, and why are they playing it towards the camera while keeping it realistic?